What? It's an earthquake. Maybe put it somewhere else. There's an earthquake. Let me put it. Let me put it here. It's 2 drops. It's an earthquake here.